looking like hot Cheetos.
Oh, is that what this is?
No.
Oh.
Hi, welcome to the Shar and Joe Show. Tonight we are going to be doing a HelloFresh review. So we've seen HelloFresh everywhere, literally a viral meal kit. So we decided to go ahead and try it out ourselves. So we've tried a few recipes and we decided to film this one today so that we can review this recipe for you. It's not sponsored, so that we can show you how we like it.
So this is how they come, I think. Is this how it comes, or?
Yeah, it comes in a cooler thing with some ice pack, and then it comes with how many recipes you order. We ordered 3 per week, but you can order 2 minimum per week, and you can always skip a week if you need to. So you can
So
open
you get a bag, and
Yeah.
then what's this here?
And then you get the menu. So today we are going to be making crispy buffalo spiced chicken.
Very good. So let's see what we got in our bag here.
Yeah, pull out all your items.
Panko. We got boneless, skinless chicken breast.
Scallion,
Onion, scallion.
green onion,
Garlic, onion, and paprika.
so it's a seasoning packet.
Red Hot Original Seasoning Blend.
So we're making
Blue
spicy
cheese.
stuff tonight.
Couple of carrots.
Yeah. It's like the
more
never-ending
carrots.
bag. I'm like, when is this gonna end?
Sour cream. Some more sour cream. Some more sour cream. And I think the rest is all potatoes. Let's see what we got. Yeah, so quite a bit in there. I won't lie, like the first one we got, I was like, that doesn't seem like enough food. But when we actually prepared it, it ended up being all right. So this actually looks like a fair amount of food for 2 people.
Yeah.
So let's get rid of that.
Usually for the meals, it asks for you to prep all the ingredients. So what we'll do is we'll prep all this stuff and we'll be right back.
All right, so we quickly prepped all these things.
Yep.
Chopped my carrots up on diagonal, about 1/2 inch thick. Charlene diced up her potatoes.
Yep.
Make sure you wash your food. It probably comes pre-washed, but before you prep it, it's a good idea to
Yeah. And
keep everything clean.
it actually tells you to wash it.
It tells you to wash it.
Yeah.
So follow the instructions. So next step, so I lay these out on a baking sheet with a little silicone mat. The next step, let's see what it says. Toss the carrots on a baking sheet with a large drizzle of olive oil. So olive oil doesn't come with the package, but most people have that for just regular cooking that they do at home. So I'm gonna drizzle that all over these carrots somehow. Oil is on. Use half the fry seasoning.
You're probably gonna have to zhuzh them. By zhuzh, I mean mix them
Juggle
together.
'em.
Juggle them like a circus guy.
So we're gonna sprinkle some salt. We like to use our little pepper grinder. So we're gonna get these. They look pretty, but we wanna make sure that we're getting good use out of our seasoning here. So now we get to toss them in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes at 425 degrees.
And while Joe is doing that, I have some water here cooking, and I'm going to add all these potatoes.
Whoa.
Oh boy,
Splash.
splashing. Ooh.
I mean, that's less of a mess than I have on my hands.
Yeah. All right.
Charlene gives me the messy stuff, I guess.
It's a lot of
She
splashing.
knew something was coming on my side here.
Yeah. So we're gonna just go ahead and cook these potatoes and cook these carrots, and we'll be back.
All right, so while that stuff's cooking, we're gonna prep our chicken.
Yes, so first it says to place 1 tablespoon of butter. So we've already melted it.
No, first it says to pat your chicken dry
Oh yeah.
and put some
Salt and pepper on it.
salt and pepper on it. So we already did that. We got anxious.
Yeah.
And then
We have some melted butter, 1 tablespoon.
melted butter. Just
Throw it in here.
throw it in there.
Yep. And then it says stir in the panko. So I usually have scissors handy for all the stuff that we do because I just
It's got a tear top on it.
It has a tear top, but I just feel like I'm making it easier for myself. I don't know if that's the case, but we'll see. All right.
What else?
Then we put some Frank seasoning in. And then it says a pinch of salt and pepper in here. I feel like I'm gonna sneeze.
Is that a pinch?
Yeah. That's good. Now I really feel like I'm gonna sneeze. Brush 1 packet of sour cream onto tops of chicken in a thin layer. So you're gonna mix up this mixture here that we have. Nice and spicy. Like your wife. So while Joe's doing all that, it says that we need to have a greased sheet. So I'm just putting a little olive oil on here. It probably says that if you don't have a silicone mat, but I'm just gonna go ahead and follow all the instructions as written. So you're gonna put just the top side on here and then keep the top side up, put it on the baking sheet.
All right, go for it.
That's all you do.
Come on.
I'll take 1 and you take 1.
There's 2 in there?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't even realize that was 2 pieces.
1 for me.
I basted it as if it was just 1.
I think I took too much.
Wow.
Who's gonna get the real crusty piece?
That's mine.
All right, your go.
You already got your hands all.
All right, I'll do it.
Remember the carrots earlier?
Looking like hot Cheetos.
Oh, is that what this is?
No.
Oh.
It says that we need to roast it for 15 to 20 minutes and the oven's already on at 425. So usually for HelloFresh, you keep the oven at 1 temperature and you just work with that temperature for everything. So let's get that done and we'll be right back. So typical Shar and Joe Show style, I forgot one prep in the beginning. We were supposed to chop up these green onions here. So you can go ahead and do that now because we need it for this step.
This is small enough?
Yeah.
Do we just need the white ones?
Yeah, just the white ones. So you're gonna
Oh,
put
boy.
the white ones in this bowl. Put in the blue cheese, sour cream packets, and it all goes in here. So it looks good. We're gonna set it aside and we're gonna work on our potatoes. Apparently,
What?
we had an issue.
So, it wasn't an issue. So, there's a reason why stuff is in a certain order on those recipes. And that's because you need to make sure you use the right ingredients for the right recipes and all that. So apparently Charlene used all the rest of the sour cream, which is what it said, but we hadn't done the potatoes yet, which was the 3rd step, because we were waiting for them to cook, and it calls for sour cream.
So
now,
your very amazing,
so now we have,
intelligent wife,
so now we have blue cheese,
sour cream. So because I pulled some out of that resourcefulness, I know, just don't give me too much credit.
all right.
And listen, solution number 2, extra butter. So a little bit of sour cream and some extra butter, and there we go.
We'll see how it
found
turns
a
out.
solution.
So if it doesn't turn out, we can't blame HelloFresh on this one.
All right, and then we got some scallions that we had from before, cut up, salt and pepper. So that all goes in here. I have a little bit of water from the potatoes. They said if it's not creamy enough, you can add a little water to it. from the boiled potato pot. The butter is making this perfection. I improved it.
I don't know.
Looks like Joe has this all mashed up, and we're gonna come back for the next step.
So we're on to the second best step, and that's plating the food.
Yep. And I like to look at the picture on the front to kind of get an idea, because I want it to look gourmet and pretty, like the picture. So
my carrots don't look like that. They got a little bit shriveled up.
they probably got a filter on that picture.
We'll give you guys a close-up of our plates, and you guys can vote.
Whose looks better? Let's talk about this hot sauce, mystery hot sauce.
Yeah, there's one thing that's not on our plate that is in the picture. So I don't know. Charlene was the one that originally opened the bag, so she could be the culprit. HelloFresh might have
Been the culprit.
shorted us a hot sauce packet, or
Did you pull it out in the beginning?
we pulled it out in the beginning. So you guys let us know,
Yeah.
because I don't remember if I pulled it out or not. I kind of don't think I did, but
Yeah.
it's gone. We can't find it.
There's a case of the missing hot sauce, and we don't know how it went missing, but we'll watch the footage and see if it came out of the bag. If not, either Charlene's a culprit or HelloFresh. I'm not sure which one.
I don't know if we'll ever find out.
All right, let's clean up, and then we can taste this.
All right, we're ready to take a bite of this.
First, let's start with the chicken so that we can tell everybody what that tastes like. So the chicken, so far, I would say it's really good. I don't know if it even needed the hot sauce. I think it was pretty spicy with the seasoning. So if you like really spicy, then you would like the hot sauce. But with that Frank seasoning, it has that kick to it.
So my review on the chicken out of 10, or my rating out of 10, I'd say a 9.5.
Out of 10, I would give this a 9. All right, let's try some potato.
Potato, could have used some more sour cream.
I think it could have used some more salt. So I usually like to salt my potatoes really well because with mashed potatoes, but that wasn't HelloFresh's fault. I think that was just us not salting it. By us, I mean Joe.
All right, on to the carrots. Yeah, I actually like the
Flavor.
seasoning.
So let's rate the potatoes. The potatoes, I would give it a 7 because I think part of it was our error, not necessarily the recipe. So it tasted pretty good to me. And the carrots, I would give out of 10 a 9 out of 10.
I would do 6 for the potatoes. Carrots, I'd give like a 7.5. Solid 7.5.
I would give HelloFresh 2 thumbs up. I would recommend it for us as like a family of 4. This might be a little bit too pricey because I still have to make extra meals for the kids. I only get the one that comes with 2, and the one with 4 is even more pricey. So for us, without the discount, I don't think I would continue, but I do recommend the meals. I do think they do a really good job of putting everything together. So if you want to save yourself time, and we all know time is money, cha-ching.
Right.
Then I would say go for it. All right, so let's finish this up, and then we can play a quick game and some trivia.
So it's time for vegetable trivia.
All right, I'm ready.
I'm ready too.
What's my question?
So my question is, which of the following is not a vegetable? A, bell pepper. B, rhubarb. C, kohlrabi.
Bell pepper.
Bell pepper?
Yeah,
Is that your final answer?
final answer.
Charlene is right, and I knew she would get this right.
With that being said, it's time for our game.
So we're playing a game out of this box called Beat That. We've used it on a few other episodes. a lot of fun games in there, or challenges, I guess you could call them too. But so this one says, don't move a muscle. Both hold a cup upside down in one hand, and 2 dice and a ball in the other hand. You have 30 seconds to stack 2 dice on top of your partner's cup, and then stack a ball on the top dice so it bounces for at least 2 seconds.
Go.
All right, you see how crooked your cup is? So pay attention to your cup.
The ball is really hard to do.
You're shaking. 1, 2. Joe won again.
Oh, come on. That's not how this thing was supposed to work.
You need both of them?
You gotta do both.
I'm pretty sure I won. You guys can read the rules
Can
yourself.
we try it one more time?
Oh boy.
Yeah. You know how I get.
Steady.
Your thing is not steady. And it's not flat. Yours is not flat.
Look at yours. I'm not flat either. Concentrate on yours. I got mine. Tilt your cups the other way.
All right, guys. I guess it's time for us to wrap up this episode. I think we had a good time making the HelloFresh meals.
So hopefully you enjoyed watching this. The big thing to get out of it was HelloFresh is legit. We've seen them around and we had a coupon come in our mail, and I know a lot of people have tried them already. So just another testament to their quality product.
You say coupon, weird.
Coupon.
You say Q, like
Coupon.
the letter Q.
Coupon.
Thanks for watching our video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. And we'll see you next time.